Hello guys, it's me, Franz, and we just got home from Target, and um, when we got home from Target, we cleaned our mini pool, and after we cleaned our mini pool, we we the hose the hose thingy, we put the water in there, and while waiting for the water to come up, um, we we ate dinner, and after that I take a bath so I can play with that, but it's so I can swim in there. As you can see, my hair is messed up because I just swim in there. Yeah, it's wet, and I didn't comb my hair. Yeah. Um. Yeah. My hair is messed up. And after dinner, I did my household chores. Mommy did her household chores, and Daddy did his household chores. And yeah, after that, my dad took a bath, and I told him that me and Mommy are going to swim or sit in there. Yeah, just talking, and then Dad decided to go with us. So we swim in there, not swim, just sit and talk about us. But I didn't talk to them because ah I used this earplug, so no water can go in my ears. Yeah, so my sister's not here because she's in her friend's house overnight. She's good. She's doing an overnight to her friend's house with her other friends. Yeah. So I'm not sleeping in my bed because mommy and daddy decided decided to sleep in their I am going to sleep in their room. So, and we're going to turn on the air conditioning. So yeah, I'm just combing my hair, and it's messed up. I think tomorrow, while I'm going to swim in their mini pool, I'm going to film myself. Yeah, yeah, and mm, I'm going. No, oh no, I'm not going to film myself uh, because I have only a I have only a two-piece. Yeah, so I'm just going to take in the bathroom. I'm just going to the bathroom. So wait. So I'm back, and mommy told me that I think, yeah, tomorrow is go she's going to film me while I'm swimming, or yeah, swimming in there, and I'm not going to do my tricks, or yeah, yeah. And I brush my teeth after before I swim in there. I brush my teeth. Yeah, and my dad is watching basketball, and my mom is taking a bath. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm going to paint my face. I'm just kidding. Mom's going to be mad, and yeah. So just so tomorrow she's going to film me while I'm playing in the mini pool. Yeah, yay, yay. And I'm just going to tell her that she can talk but speaking English. So yeah. Wait a minute. I'm going to upload my my sister filmed me like like last summer. Yeah, she filmed me and I did the handstand, but accidentally just like I bent myself like that in the water. And then I'm going to upload that. Yeah, I'm going to upload that. I think tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow or I don't think so. But I think tomorrow. But it has a Tagalog version because uh, um uh, after the video, before she end the video, she told me that, "Kamukha ni Sparky." Yeah, she told me that. And my hair is messed up in there, and I have a gagas in there. And yeah, I'm wearing a sleeveless shirt. Yeah. So yeah. Me and my dad. No. Me, so I think tomorrow me and mommy are going to swim in there again. Talk, just talk, and sit. Yeah. Oh, so yeah. I'm just uh, I'm going to wear tomorrow a two-piece only a underwear and a no, I don't think so. I'm not going to use my two-piece thing. I'm not going to use the two-piece thingy. So yeah. Oh, so yeah. This is my backpack when I'm at grade 5, and I'm going to use that again when I'm in grade 6. I think. And yeah. So yeah. Question of today is the question of today is about that pool high and low. High means what is your happiest part of your day, and your low is what is your saddest part of your day. So mine is my high low. My high is my high is me, dad, me, mommy, and daddy swim in our mini pool, and yeah. And my low is I did go to the Target. I did go to Target, but I don't like to go in Target at that Target because it's so hot, hot. So yeah, that's my high and low. So comment down below if you wanna know your answer for a question of the day. And the question of the day is high low. Yeah. I'm just going to say again. High means what is your happiest part of your day, and your low is what is your happiest no I mean what is your saddest part of your day. So bye, see you tomorrow. Bye. Babush. Bye bye.